My name is Robert. I'm going to be a rising sophomore at the Urban School of San Francisco, and here's my first milestone for my 3D printed robotic hand. My first milestone features 5 servo motors as well as 5 flex sensors and a 7.2 volt power supply battery. The flex sensors work as voltage dividers, where when resistance is applied or when it's bent, the voltage between the resistors changes to a different degree. When it is bent more, or if it's bent very lightly, then the voltage would change, influencing how the servos would move. The Arduino reads the resistance change, the voltage change, by a certain number between 400 and 700, and that number, since it's not, the servos can't read that number, they have to read it in between 0 and 180 degrees, which is the amount that it changes, or the amount that it rotates. So if you get a number around 700, or close to 700, it will move the full 180 degrees. If it's very little resistance and you don't move it very a lot, it might only move 10 degrees. So the amount of flex or the bend that you have in the flex sensors changes how the servos would move. The 7.2 volt battery powers the servos, the 5 servos, because they can't run on the 5 volts that are supplied by the Arduino, but the flex sensors can. So the flex sensors are hooked up directly to the Arduino, whereas the servos are hooked up to this extra power supply. Thank you for watching.